Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will see how to connect MailChimp with your WordPress website. MailChimp is not only used in WordPress, but many companies and content management systems use the MailChimp platform for their email marketing. Here we will see how to integrate MailChimp with WordPress. There are few ways to connect MailChimp with WordPress site. The first one is that we can add the code given by MailChimp to our WordPress header and connect the script. And if you have less knowledge of coding, we can use a third-party tool to connect MailChimp. First, you have to register on www.mailchimp.com and log into your account. In your dashboard, you can see the integration tab. Click on that and scroll down till you find the WordPress icon. Then it will open a window to connect your WordPress site. Copy your website's URL and paste it in the Enter Site URL field. Then you have to select the audience to connect with. Then the audience will choose by default. You can create that audience when you register with MailChimp. Then click on Get Code. Then you will get the custom website code for your MailChimp. Copy that code and paste it in your website header to connect MailChimp. That's the first method to connect MailChimp. If you don't have much knowledge about coding, then you can do the same process using a third-party tool. Go to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Add New. Then search for MailChimp. And the first result will be MC4WP, MailChimp for WordPress, which is one of the famous plugins. Click on Install Now and activate the plugin. After the activation, click on the settings of the MC4WP plugin. Then it will show the status as not connected. And you will ask for a MailChimp API key. Click on Get Your API Key, here the link below. And it will redirect you to the API key generating page in your MailChimp dashboard if you have logged in. There you can create a new key. If you haven't created any key before, you can't see a key there. Click on Create a Key to generate a new key. Copy that key and paste it in your MC4WP plugin API setting page. Then click on Save Changes. And you will see the status change into Connected. Then we should see for which purpose we are using MailChimp. Whether to create a newsletter email list or an email list for email marketing. To create this email list, there should be a form to fill by the customers and collect the user emails. To do that, click on the form under the MailChimp tab in the WordPress dashboard. Then give any name to your form and select the email list and click on Add New Form. Then you can add this form to your page and the user emails of the users who sign up using this form will be added to the queue on audience in MailChimp. You can collect the email list there. You can edit the codes of the form to customize the form fields as you need. We will keep this as it is for now and save the changes. Then copy the shortcode. Imagine you want to add this form to your site footer. First, click on the widgets in the Appearance tab under the WordPress dashboard. Then you can remove the widgets that are already in the footer and add a text field. Next, add a title to the text. Then paste the shortcode in the description and save the changes. Then visit the site to see the changes that we made. And you will notice that the newsletter widget is added to the footer of the website. According to the theme, there will be an issue in responsiveness, and you can fix those issues by customizing CSS. And you can edit the form code and make a few changes in the form. Then, in the Message tab, you can edit the messages to display in various instances when a user signs up. Like we added in contact forms, when a user submits a form, a message will pop up according to the status, whether the form was sent successfully or error in sending the form. In settings, we can choose which email list these emails are adding. And what will happen when an existing subscriber signs in again using the form. We can edit those settings here. In the Appearance tab, we can choose the form style. The default style is inherited from the default 2021 theme. You can choose another theme as we like as dark, light themes and change the front appearance. Then we will sign up the form using our form as a test sign up. You can see a message that will display as "Thank you, your sign up request was successful." After the user sign up the form, he has to confirm the email he received. He should confirm that he likes to subscribe to this email list. Then the user's email will be updated in our Audience tab in the MailChimp dashboard. Refresh the Audience page, and you can see the newly subscribed email has been added to the list. Then you can create an email marketing campaign by using this email list as you need. Go to Campaigns and click on Create a Campaign and select what kind of a campaign you are making, whether an email marketing campaign or a marketing campaign. Then use that selected campaign for the marketing process of your business. This is how we successfully integrate MailChimp with WordPress.